I'm here at Reborn Cabinets San Diego showroom with David Dolan. And David, I should have said Reborn Cabinets and Bath Solutions, because we're talking all about bathrooms today.
Yeah, we've got a wide variety of bathrooms to show you.
And it's a topic I think is very interesting, to me at least. I learned from you that a lot of people are probably putting a lot of scrubbing time, cleaning time, chemicals into keeping their shower clean when they don't have to.
Exactly. Most people today have tile systems, and with a tile system, to keep the grout clean takes a lot of elbow grease, a lot of work, a lot of chemicals.
And that's where mold tends to get started, is in the grout. Why is that the case?
Grout is a breeding ground for mold. So what happens is, as it grows from the outside in. So if people were to remove it and look behind their walls, they'd see a lot of mold back there. So with our systems, mold can't grow.
So all you're really seeing when you're getting rid of the mold, you think you're cleaning it off. Behind it, there's the root there that's continuing to grow. That's why it's so hard to eliminate.
Absolutely.
Okay. Now, with this, another interesting thing that you shared with me is if somebody already has that mold growing, you put the system over the top and it stops that existing mold from growing?
Yeah, so we don't have to do a lot of demolition work where we have to tear everything out. We can actually go right over the system, the tile system that's in place, and this cuts off the food source. So no more water, no more heat or light, and the mold will just dissipate behind the walls.
Wow, see, I would be concerned that you're putting this over the top of that you have that mold hidden back there, but it kills it off.
It dies, yep.
That's really interesting. So people are able to keep this clean, this kind of a system, without all those chemicals. What do they need to clean something like this?
Very easy to take care of. You don't have to use any abrasive cleaners. You can take and fill a water bottle up with some vinegar water, spray it, wipe it down, or just put a little soap detergent inside there, fill it with water, and do the same thing.
So somebody at home now that's using a ton of chemicals, cleaning it like crazy and not getting anywhere, they're going to notice a huge difference with this in their lifestyle and the chemicals that they have in their home.
Less time cleaning, more time for enjoyment.
And last thing, it's available in a variety of colors, different options and sizes, and you can do just about any home.
Yeah, absolutely. In fact, we have different colors, but we also have different textures. So you can see here we have a 12 by 12 look. No grout, but it looks like a tile system.
So all the benefits of tile without all the hassle, and much easier for your home and not having to have all those chemicals.
Exactly.
It's great all the way around. Thanks so much, David. If you want to have a bathroom that you can keep clean without all those chemicals and save on all the cleaning time as well, go to Reborn Cabinets. You can find them at ApprovedHomePros.com, just like all of our great pros.